and it's planting day. We went into town the other day, which isn't a very regular occurrence. It's an hour away, but always try and get a couple of little bits for the garden when I go. So I've got lots of herbs here, flowers, it's plants day, and some veg. So actually managed to get some asparagus heads, which are a couple of years old, I hope, because they only produce on their third year. But I'm going to give them their own little permanent spot because they are perennial, so they'll just keep going. A fantastic thing to get in your food forest. Is what I'm trying to do. I've got 5 fig trees existing over there, and I've separated them into separate guilds so that they kind of work as an ecosystem, each one. The fruit tree will be the shade because they're really large now. And then in each one, I'm going to plant some herbs. So, yeah, the herbs keep away the pests, the flowers. I've got some lovely lavender here and some night blooming jasmine. They obviously help the ecosystem, and then we can plant our veg, berry trees, things like that in between, and have it all working together. I bought this as a chop and drop. It's basically in each guild what you want is some herbs to keep the pests away, some flowers to pollinate, a climber to climb up the structures, some chop and drop, which I bought this one for, but it's too pretty to chop right now. But when it gets bigger, it'll have lots of extra leaves that we can use. And then I've got my veg and lots of seeds to start today. But at least if I get these in, I've got some food growing in succession. And then I've got prickly pear cactus, which will produce some fruit as well, and obviously thrive here with very little water. So let's get going.